How to add hyperlink text on Discord. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily add a hyperlink text on Discord. So if you don't want the long links to show up on your text, just want a short text and that text will lead you to a certain link. The first thing you do is copy the link where you want it to be. So let's just head over to facebook.com and then I'm just going to head over to my profile here. So I'm just going to click on my profile. Copy this URL right here. Once you copy the URL, go back to Discord and then click on any one of your chats. Now, the first thing you have to do is simply open up a big bracket and then here just type in your text that you want it to be displayed. So let's say my Facebook profile and then close the parentheses. Then open the other parentheses and here you're going to actually paste the link. And close this. All you have to do now is send this like that. And once you do that, you will get a short hyperlink text. There was a small mistake I made. You don't have to put the space here, so I'm just going to paste the message here again. I'm going to remove the space here and then just tap on send. As you can see now, this text right here, my Facebook profile is highlighted. And if I click here, you could just click on visit site and it will directly take you to my Facebook profile page. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.